design a website, or make a game, or working with multimedia, or machine learning, or making different apps for mobile phones, or maybe image processing, or maybe designing a Windows application, or work with a huge amount of data. Well, you just need to learn just one programming language that is popular these days, and it's Python. Yes, Python. So, if you like to work in these areas, I have an offer for you. You can access to this course, Python from Zero to Hero in beginner level, on the site 7x24learn.com with a great discount right now, and have a lifetime access to this course and its updates. Do you think that you may not like this course? Don't worry, you can use the right 30 days money back guarantee and have your money back. Don't miss your opportunity. Buy this course right now with this discount.